ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಾಟಕ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡಿ ಆನಂದ ಪಡೆಯಿರಿ.
Thank you, Subhanna.
We shall now have a brief summary report of Shrishti by Mrs. Sujita Somashegharaya.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಶುಭೋದಯ. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome each one of you here. Thank you very much, our distinguished doctors, who are all into reaching out to special people, and you truly make a difference in the society to people. It gives me immense pleasure to present a brief report of the activities of Shrishti of this academic year. Shrishti has grown to become an institution which has lent dignity and self-respect to the lives of the differently abled by empowering them with necessary skills and encouraging them to stand up for themselves and to be contributory members of the society. From a humble beginning in 1995 with 3 children and a team of 3 of us, currently Shrishti reaches out to 125 special individuals and 51 children from 5 villages surrounding our campus on the Magadi Road through the Chikuru Integrated Program, which follows the UNICEF model of early childhood special education. It is very heartening that we have been able to achieve our goals of providing programs from infancy to adulthood with an 80-member strong multidisciplinary team. We are proud to share with you that we have enriched and empowered the team with the presence of experienced psychoeducational consultants, in-house doctors, social workers, speech and language consultants, family counselors, physiotherapists, occupational therapists, psychologists, child development specialists, and this year we have also included having a fundraising and communications manager. Shrishti strives to enrich its professional growth of the multidisciplinary team through sponsoring the teachers to go for ongoing training. This year itself, over almost 30 members of the multidisciplinary team have attended various training and workshops and seminars to enable the latest techniques and strategies to be imbibed into our intervention services. An exclusive diagnostic and intervention center for individuals with autism spectrum disorders was inaugurated in December 2009. An additional facility of training for which can house more than 100 participants has been inaugurated in December 2009 at our campus. We have had various medical camps periodically in association with the Ramaya Medical College. We have had the orthopedic camp. We have had the dental camp with the support of the MS Ramaya Dental College and Hospital. With the Shankara Netralaya, we have had vision checkup, and the children have gone in for their follow-ups and treatments free of cost at these hospitals also. Shrishti is the recipient of the Rotary Service Award for 2009-10 for excellence in voluntary organization working in vocational training of disabled, awarded by the Rotary Club of Bangalore. Our special individuals have won many laurels. We have with us Mr. Jayant, who has won 2 gold medals and a bronze medal at the recently held national level Special Olympics swimming competition, which was held in Mumbai. And at every competition, inter-school competitions which has been held in Bangalore, be it sports, art, music, dance, you name it, and the kids have won prizes at every single competition. Our theme for this year, Save the Environment. As green initiatives, we have planted more than 300 saplings on our campus with teak, silver oak, flowering trees, fruit trees, flower gardens, with the support of volunteers from Motorola, from HP, from Rotary Club of Bangalore, Udyog, from Inner Wheel Clubs, and also Rajajinagar Parents Association college students of the social service wing were involved in this whole endeavor. We also have created compost pits, and rainwater harvesting has also been included into built-in into our infrastructure. Our future plans for this upcoming year is to transform and upgrade our sheltered workshop, enabled to cater to individuals with cross disabilities. Not only the 4 disabilities that we are dealing with, that is mental retardation, cerebral palsy, multiple disabilities and autism, we also want to integrate people with visual challenges, with hearing challenges, and also mentally ill patients also. School dropouts, we want to be able to take and have all of them in our sheltered workshop. We are also going to have a very concentrated effort on managing the solid waste and also getting into recycled paper products. A disabled-friendly park and play area of more than 5,000 square feet of area will be created on our campus. In therapeutics, along with our programs which we have already, we're going to introduce dance and yoga this coming academic year. The next upcoming program is the World Autism Awareness Day, which is happening on the 2nd April. We're going to be creating awareness about autism in corporates and preschools, which will be the theme for this day. We have been extremely fortunate in receiving support from numerous individuals, funding agencies, clubs, corporates who partnered with us in our initiatives. The list is exhaustive. We have Accenture with us, HP, Sabre, SAP, I think we have like Infosys volunteers, and every other company, most of the companies, there are lots of companies which are supporting us. I think we would not have been able to achieve such great results and such progress without the team, support of the dedicated team, and the support of all the parents and all the volunteers and the community at large for a support. We are confident that the community will definitely partner us wholeheartedly in continuing in our mission to reach out to these special people. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mrs. Suchita, for sharing the facts and figures. We now have Mrs. Gayatri Subhash, Psychoeducational Consultant at Srishti, to say a few words in Kannada about the theme of the program.
ಇವತ್ತು ನೆರೆದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೋಷಕರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಯ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಮತ್ತು ಆಹ್ವಾನಿತರು, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆದರದ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮದು, ಇದು ಬರೀ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ವಿಶೇಷ ಅಗತ್ಯಗಳೇನೇ ಇರಲಿ, ಅವರದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರೂ ಪರಿಸರದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಜ್ಞೆ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಸಂದೇಶ ಸಾರಲಿಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮನ್ನು ಅದನ್ನು ಅಳವಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವದ ವಸ್ತು ವಿಷಯ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಪರಿಸರ ಪ್ರಜ್ಞೆ. ಅಳಿಸಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರೋಂಥ ಈ ಭೂಮಂಡಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಏನೇನೋ ಥರದ ಅನ್ಯಾಯಗಳನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳೂ ಅವರ ಸವಾಲುಗಳೇನೇ ಇದ್ರೂ ಅವರದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ, ಅವರದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಿಸರ ಉಳಿಸೋ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂಥ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಐಟಮೂ ಒಂದು ಸಂದೇಶ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಾರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಸಂದೇಶ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ವೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you, Gayatri. We have in our audience a very special guest, Mrs. Sharbani Malik, who is the founder and principal of Bubble School of Autism, and she also works towards the same goal as Srishti, to reach out to people and children with disabilities. Welcome, Sharbani, and thank you for joining us today. We have another special guest, Mr. Janardhan, who is a manager with HP. Thank you, Janardhan, for being here today.